close friends. Somehow you turn into my girlfriend. We used to tell each other every.
Alright, niggas. Yeah. Think your shit's ready. Anyway. What's up, AK Army? Are you motherfuckers ready? It's your boy, Amir. AKA Young Mir. Big Mir, almost 6 foot. Part of the... Fuck, forgot the name. AK Dynasty. Link to social media somewhere down here, up here, in the description. Follow us at AK Dynasty on Instagram. Subscribe. Hit that like button. Hit that motherfucking like button. And we're gonna get into the video. Today I'm gonna be in Chef Boyardee's kitchen because my first name starts with a D. I just don't like it. But in the kitchen they call me Chef Boyardee because I throw down. Today we're going to be cooking a New York strip steak. Disclaimer: I'm not a professional chef, but I can cook some motherfucking steak. Ask her. Ask her. I throws the fuck down in the kitchen. Don't call me Chef Boyardee for no reason. So yes, we're gonna get into this motherfucker, man. As you can see, I have the steaks on the platter, but I'm gonna do something different. Pan down right here. You see all these seasoning sauces? I'm gonna make my own rub. I'm making my own rub because a couple years ago I was addicted to the barbecue channel or whatever the fuck. They was making their own dry rub. So now I mix my own rub all into this. And classic salt and pepper, nigga. Half the shit I don't even like. I just put it in here because she bought it, so I'm like, fuck it. Might as well throw it on a steak. Let's get into it. Now that I've done making my special dry rub, now I'm done making my special dry rub. My wifey to be just informed me that I should clean these motherfuckers. So yeah, I'm about to do that because I definitely don't do that. All right, clean. Now after cleaning these motherfuckers, gentlemen, only you can understand the stuff you may want to do to your significant other. You get that opportunity to beat some meat. And I'm not talking about, yeah, I mean, but you know, I probably should have did that so my meat game can be stronger, but we're about to see what I can put in. Let's go. What the fuck I'm doing? They call me Chef Boyardee in this motherfucker, man. Anyway, after you done beat the shit out that, I meant your meat. I don't know why I'm flipping them over, but anyway, it's time to season it. The fuck y'all waiting for, nigga? Get the fuck seasoning. All right, gentlemen. It's time to cook this thing. All right, gentlemen. So I'm about to put the steak on the grill. Got it in between medium and low, and I'm gonna flip it every 5 minutes. I don't know what the fuck she looking at. Do something with yourself. Like shit. I was actually expecting that shit to start popping, but it didn't. Okay. I'm turning this bitch up. It ain't popping. Alright, that's it. Oh, forgot to tell you niggas and niggas. In about 2 minutes, I'm gonna put some butter in this Jizzy John. I got that from Gordon Ramsay. I want you to fuck out the kitchen. Goodbye. Interrupting us.
Have a kiss.
Alright. I had to give her that kiss because I also shut up. So, after I'm done cooking my steaks. But you know, Chef Boyardee wouldn't be Chef Boyardee without his wifeykins. And she taught me that if I put the steaks in the oven to bake a little bit, they'll come out a little bit better. So that's what we gonna do. It's hot up in a mug up in that joint. I got it on 430. Also, you want to cook it in the oven for about 5 minutes. And I cut up my steaks because I'm a little baby. And my grandma always cut up my food. So I like my food cut up. And I'm in love with hot sauce. Hot sauce was more like my first wife. But okay, she don't even know that. And no, I didn't cook any sides. I don't know how to. But if you stay tuned, I will learn how to cook sides. I will make your wives proud of you. We're going to accomplish this together. Stay tuned on the DK Dynasty. DK? What the fuck, nigga? AK. Oh, shit. This motherfucker hot, guys. All right, now I'm trying to take the steak off this motherfucker, man. Chop this some bitch up and wait for the taste tester before I drench it with hot sauce. Alright, kid, come on. Come Troy, Chef Boyardee. I should charge her for this. Follow her. Link right here or right here. I don't fucking know. Also in the description. Guys, follow me. Don't follow her. No. Mine. All mine. All mine. Go ahead. I know. Fucking fantastic. Fan-doobly-tastic. Yep. I know. Well, I'm gonna put hot sauce on the rest of this. Thank you. Where the fuck my hot sauce? Oh. And that's gonna be all, folks. Get my follows up. Once again, follow me. Peace out. I'm stupid. I didn't even add the A1 steak sauce. It's on halfway gone. Shit.